Here is another spreadsheet. I went ahead and opened up another spreadsheet that I had with some doctors in it for the purposes of going over more ribbon stuff. So I'm going to start with, we've already gone over the font area. Now I'm going to go over a little bit in the alignment area. So the alignment area allows you to move or place the text in each cell in different places. So for instance, we're in the name tab right now. If this is the align left, this is center, and this is align right. And this is if you want it at the top of the cell, in the middle of the cell, or at the bottom of the cell. So for right now, we're just going to go ahead and, well, this is already aligned left, so let's just press the center so we can see what that looks like. And again, we can do, if we want to make changes to more than one, we would just go ahead and select all of them and click center, and they'll all go to the center. We can do the same for the align right. Align center, align left. Now for headings are usually align center, so we'll just go ahead and leave those align center. But let's say we wanted to make the name, let's say we wanted to make phone number 2 cells. So let's go ahead and highlight, select the phone tab. Let's spread that over to G. This button right here, merge and center, takes 2 cells and merges them into one. See, now I hovered over it and it gives you a little explanation of what that function is. So if we click on merge and center, it'll make phone go into 2 tabs. I'm sorry, 2 cells. And if we click it again, it'll undo it. And if you click on the little arrow, it'll show you the different options. This area we'll talk about when we have calculations and numbers in our document. Right now we're just doing we just have names, addresses, cities, and phone numbers, so it's not going to make a difference to go over number signs and stuff like that. And we're going to skip this for now because that is more of an advanced option. But let's just skip over to the editing section. Let's say we wanted to put all these cells in alphabetical order. We have all these doctors' names. Let's go ahead and see if we can put them in alphabetical order. So we can highlight the area and click this A, sort and filter, and you see as soon as you put your mouse over it, the little explanation will pop up. And if you just click on it, you get this diagram, and we want to sort it A to Z, and you have the option to sort Z to A. You can do a custom sort or a filter. And we're just going to sort it A to Z. And then it's going to ask you. It sees that it has more than one column, and it's going to ask if you want to sort all of it. So we'll just go ahead and say yes, we want to expand the selection. And hit sort. Voila, it sorted the entire thing. The entire thing is in alphabetical order. Now it's in alphabetical order by name. So whatever address went with that name, obviously it came over with the name. Now if we wanted to sort by the city, we would do the same thing. If we wanted all the city, actually what we can do is if we want to sort it custom, we'll go ahead and highlight the entire data area. Go back up to sort and filter, go to custom sort, and then it'll ask you, you want a column, you want to sort by. We're going to sort by city because we wanted the city. So we're going to sort by city. and we want it to be the value. When it says value, see, it asks you if you want a cell color, font color, cell icon. We want to use value because that just means the text in the cell. It's going to use it by that. And order is A to Z. So we're just going to go ahead and click OK, so everything looks okay. And there we have it. Now it's all sorted by the city. The city is in order, and everything else along with it. The doctor's names, address, and everything came along with it. And to unselect it, you just click off of it. There's also a way to select the entire spreadsheet with a keyboard shortcut. By pressing Control A on your keyboard, hold down Control and press the letter A, it will select your entire spreadsheet. To unselect it, you would hit Escape. I'm sorry, you would just click off of it. Now instead of going like this, that's one way to select it all. But a little shortcut will be Control A, and it selects it for you. So that's a little bonus for you. And let's say we wanted to print what we've done, it will be Control P. And it'll take you to the print menu automatically. How cool is that? And of course, to go back, we would just click on this arrow.